Hi all. So today I will be explaining how we can use Vim in our VS Code, and that will definitely improve the productivity in VS Code. So you can totally get rid of your mouse. Click on the extension and then search for Vim. Okay, and once you get the results, install this extension Vim. Okay, and post that there are some settings here. Okay, that I will be posting in the comments or in the description. So you can copy down these settings and put it down over there. So now go ahead into the app.js file and see how the Vim is helping here. So the first feature, first I will speak about the modes. Okay, so and there are basically three modes: the normal mode, insert mode, and then there is a visual mode. So currently you can see here it is in a insert mode. Okay, so in usually in insert mode we can type anything normal, whatever we want. Okay, and to change the mode, what you need to do is if there is a setting here, insert mode key binding, where if you press to JJ in continuously, it will behave as an escape key. So what does that mean is, now I'm in insert mode, and what I do is I will type J and J. Okay, so you see the cursor is become little big, and now I am in a normal mode. You can see here I'm in a normal mode. So what I can do in a normal mode, so there are keys HJKL in your keyboard. Okay, so I'll go in insert mode for a second. HJKL. These keys you can have a look on your keyboard. Then go to normal mode and then press J. J means how I remember it says in jump down. So when you are jump, you will go down, right? So whenever you press J, it goes down. Okay, in a normal mode, and when you press K, it goes up. Okay, so K means kicking things up. So that's how I remember. Left, if you press L, suppose I'm here, and if you press L, I'm going to the right, and if you press H, I'm going to the left. Okay, so these are the basics HJKL. Moving the things, moving the cursor in the normal mode. Okay, and you can see how fast it is. Okay, now let's talk about uh, another thing which I like the most. Uh, 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 it is navigating between the words. And in normal mode, what happens is if you press W in a normal mode, it will take you to the next word. Okay, how it is? I'll just show you. Now switch to normal mode and press W. As soon as you're pressing W, you can see you're going to the next word. Isn't that cool? And if you press B, it comes back. You can see here it is navigating the words. Okay, cool. Uh, so this is what we'll call W to move forward, and B for back. Okay, so this works in a normal mode. You switch to normal mode, come down here, press W. Okay, and one cool thing is this. You are here and you press W. It comes to the first word immediately. Okay, now the next command in the normal mode. Okay, so I switch to insert mode for the timing just to type. If you press TD, what it does is it just deletes a line. Okay, to show it, I'll just show you here. Press JJ to come to normal mode. Press DD. It just deleted the line. And if you want to undo it, press U in the normal mode. It just undo the changes. Press DD to delete it. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and this is one thing. And the next command is uh, just a second. So here the next command is uh, if you uh, goes to an insert mode. So what happens is the your cursor you will start editing. If I press I will start editing before the letter L. You can see my cursor position here. It comes after the before the letter L. Okay. If I go to insert mode again, if I'm here and if I press small a, okay, so it comes after the cursor. So I'll write here I before and small a after. Okay, so this is one thing. Now, suppose you are here, okay, you are here and you are in normal mode, and suppose you wanted to go to the end of the line. How would you go is, so I'll write here the command first. You write shift plus I. If you do shift plus I, it means it's run a capital I, right? Capital I. So capital I in a normal mode will take you to the, sorry, to the beginning of the line. And there is another one, just a second. And shift plus A, that is capital A, will take you to the end of the line. Okay. And here I'll write shift plus I, that is capital I, takes you beginning of the line. Okay. You are here, go to the normal mode, right? Shift capital A, sorry, shift or A, that means capital A will take you to the end of the line and you can start editing here. And you can see you are automatically going to the insert mode. Okay, just go to the undo the changes, just delete this line. And here, suppose you are here in middle of somewhere, okay, and you wanted to go to the beginning of the line, then write shift I. You can see it is automatically take you to the beginning, right? So this is one thing. And the another cool feature that I like is suppose you wanted to remove this word. Okay, so you come here to the first letter. We can quickly go to the first letter of any first letter of a word and then type DW. DW just deletes the word. You can see it is deleting the words, right? And so I'll write this thing here, A DW deletes the delete the word. Okay, and you come here and you are here somewhere, right? You go to normal mode. If you write CW, you can see the it goes to the insert mode, and we can it just remove the word, but it goes to an insert mode. So to type a new thing, right? This is the difference between CW and DW. Okay. And another cool feature that I like here is suppose you wanted to edit something in these double quotes. Okay, I'll just show you the demo and how cool it is. So you just wanted to remove everything in these quotes. Okay, so first you do is you go to the normal mode, come here, you see it. It just removed everything in the double quotes, and the command to do it is type CI, and then you wanted to edit something in in the double quotes, then you type this, right? So it just removes everything in the double quotes. And suppose there is something, suppose hi, my name is, and here there is something, some data is there, okay, like this, and you wanted to remove everything in this curly braces. So what you do is go to normal mode and write CI, and then instead of double quotes you write a curly brace. You can see you can write a new word now. It's whatever data was there previously, it's gone. So I will be posting some more stuff on my channel. Just keep just do a subscribe. Okay, and let's see the next one. I just talk about two modes here, the insert and the normal mode, and let's talk about the another mode called visual mode. So what the visual mode is? In visual mode, you can do the same thing, but it's like a more UI way. How would say it is? Now you go to normal mode. Now if you press V, okay, you can see it just goes to a visual mode. So if you press W, it just selects the next words. And if you press B, so whatever you were doing previously, the commands, now you can see visually. Okay, so that is one thing. You can see it is moving word by word and it's coming back. So what you can do is you reach down here and then what you do is you just do Control C. It just copies the whatever it's highlighted and come down here, go to the insert mode. Okay, now it's a normal mode. Go to the insert mode and just paste the stuff. Okay, whatever you have, just copied it. I'm just undoing the things. Okay, so another thing that I like the most is in visual mode. What you do is if you write shift dollar. No, you're sorry, you're not in a visual mode. Just a second. Now you are in a visual mode, and just a second. I'll go to the beginning of the line and just turn the mode to visual mode. Just a second. You are now in a visual mode, and write shift dollar. It just selects the entire line. All right. So now you can take this up and down however you wanted to. Okay. So this is cool feature in the visual mode. So that's it for this video. Hope you will like it, and I will be sharing these settings in the description of the video. Thanks a lot. Just do a subscribe. I will keep on posting video like that. Peace out.